I know it's been a while off camera. Guess why? Louis, a deep-rooted Acholi traditional commitment. Now that's done, let's pick up right where we left off. In this video, I'm bringing how Ojara and Mapenduzi can credibly clear his name over the Gulu city violence allegations. In case you didn't know, the violent disruption of the National Unity Platform NOPE campaign in Gulu city on 6 December 2025 has generated national concern and intense public debate. You must remember that Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs Norbert Mao, Mango Cultural Institution led by Bishop Mackley Chola, Father Eric Huma, Dr. Lara Utuno, and Wayamete Kwar Pa Luo issued serious condemnation of the incident. Among the issues emerging from the incident are allegations directed at Ojara Mapenduzi, the Member of Parliament for Badegele Division. Although he has denied any involvement, public trust in politically sensitive matters is restored not merely through denial, but through transparent, verifiable, and lawful actions. Political figures like Boss Migutim, Achie Obama, and very many others have directly pointed fingers at Ojara Mapenduzi, accusing him of masterminding the Gulu City street attack that left 2 people dead and Bobby Wine's record producer Dan Magic severely injured in the head. This video outlines practical, professional, and legal grounded measures that Ojara Mapenduzi can take to clear his name and restore public confidence. The first one is make a formal and sworn public statement. A credible defense begins with a clear official record. Ojara should issue a formal public statement, preferably at a press conference, accompanied by a sworn declaration affirming that he did not plan, finance, coordinate, or facilitate the violence of 6 December. Such a declaration signals seriousness and accountability, as sworn statements carry legal consequences if proven false. Number 2 is voluntarily submit to digital and forensic scrutiny. One of the strongest indicators of innocence is openness to scrutiny. Ojara should publicly state that he does not object to lawful examination of phone call records and contact logs, voice print analysis, messaging metadata, that's SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram, mobile money transaction histories, location data relevant to the day in question. If such audits are never conducted, the willingness itself strengthens public confidence. Well, number 3 is invite accusers to testify under oath. Rather than engaging in political rhetoric, Ojara may professionally invite any individual alleging his involvement, including arrested suspects, to record sworn statements, testify before a court, or a lawful inquiry. This must be done without intimidation or inducement. Truth, when placed under oath, often withstands pressure better than speculation. And number 4 is publicly demand full prosecution of the guilty. Ojara should clearly state that anyone found responsible for orchestrating or participating in the violence should face the full extent of the law, regardless of political affiliation. This position distances him from criminality and demonstrates commitment to rule of law over political convenience. Number 5 is engage independent oversight institutions. Given public skepticism toward partisan processes, Ojara can voluntarily submit himself to independent bodies such as the Uganda Human Rights Commission, parliamentary oversight committees, recognized religious and cultural leadership in Acholi, or independent legal observers. Requesting impartial review demonstrates confidence in the truth. Six, present a verifiable alibi. If Ojara claims he was elsewhere during the violence, he should provide precise timeline, the exact location, names of independent witnesses. These witnesses should speak freely and be open to verification, and alibi is only credible when it can be independently confirmed. Seven, maintain professional restraint. Clearing one's name requires discipline. Ojara should avoid attacking political opponents, using emotional or inflammatory language, shifting blame without evidence. Consistency, calmness, and fact-based communication are essential to credibility. Eight, use legal channels against false accusations. If false allegations persist, Ojara may instruct his lawyers to issue formal legal notices against demonstrably false claims. This should be framed as protection of truth, not intimidation. 9. Commit to transparency over time. Public trust is built gradually. Ojara should provide updates when relevant, especially if investigations confirm lack of evidence against him. Silence should follow clarity, not replace it. Well, 10. Accept accountability if evidence emerges. Finally, Ojara should publicly affirm that if any credible evidence ever proves his involvement, he would submit to the law without obstruction. This statement alone significantly strengthens the presumption of innocence. The bottom line, in politically charged environments, innocence is not established by denial alone, but by openness, consistency, and courage to face scrutiny. By embracing transparency and lawful processes, Ojara Mapenduzi can either decisively clear his name or allow truth to take its rightful course. Outcomes: serving justice, democratic, pro-innovative.